everyone!
Welcome to LASH London Live.
If you're new here, I'm Philippa.
And I'm Viviana, and together we're the co-founders of LASH London.
If you don't know how to trim magnetic eyelashes, don't batter an eyelash, as we're going to show you how to do that in this video.
Before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon to be notified for when we upload a new video.
And like and share this video as it helps us reach other lash lovers looking for advice.
How to trim magnetic lashes. Our magnetic lashes come with 5 tiny magnets, shown here along the eyelash band. Here is an eyelash before trimming. Shown here are the points where we are going to trim. This is an optional step. You can trim the extended outer corners just like this. This is great just for a mini trim to ensure you don't have anything poking in your eye. Now we're going to trim to shorten the length of the lash. Trim here as shown. You would trim flush up to the second magnet. This will ensure an all-day secure hold and prevent any lifting. Here is how a trimmed eyelash should look. There will be 4 magnets along the lash band to fit a smaller eye. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment them down below.
And stay tuned for next week, as we're going to show you how to clean your magnetic eyelashes using our Lash Foam Eyelash Cleanser and Cleansing Brush.
To view our full Unleash the Lash collection, visit www.lashlondon-uk.com.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget, live a little, lash a lot.